Linux desktops have reached a point where something that once seemed impossible is becoming a reality. For years, Linux was known as the operating system for developers, system administrators, and hardcore computer enthusiasts. Many people believed that Linux was too complicated for everyday users and could never compete with the polished experiences offered by Windows and macOS. But in 2026, that old image is changing rapidly, and Linux desktop environments are becoming so advanced, so beautiful, and so user-friendly that major operating systems should start paying attention. The biggest transformation happening in the Linux world is the desktop experience itself. Modern Linux desktops are no longer just simple interfaces designed for technical users. They now offer smooth animations, powerful customization, better hardware support, and professional-looking designs that can easily compete with commercial operating systems. Whether you prefer a minimal workflow, a futuristic interface, or a traditional desktop layout, Linux now gives users more freedom than ever before. One of the biggest advantages Linux desktops have is choice. Windows and macOS give users a specific design philosophy, and while those experiences are polished, they are also limited. Linux users can choose from many different desktop environments, each offering a unique approach to productivity and usability. GNOME provides a clean and modern experience focused on simplicity. KDE Plasma delivers extreme customization and a powerful feature set, and other desktops provide lightweight and efficient alternatives for older machines. KDE Plasma, in particular, has become one of the strongest examples of how far Linux desktops have evolved. The desktop environment offers a level of customization that Windows and macOS simply cannot match. Users can change almost every aspect of the interface, from window behavior and themes to panels, widgets, shortcuts, and system appearance. Despite this flexibility, modern KDE Plasma versions have become faster, smoother, and more stable, proving that customization does not have to sacrifice performance. GNOME has also played a major role in improving the reputation of Linux desktops. Instead of trying to copy traditional desktop layouts, GNOME focuses on a clean and distraction-free workflow. Its modern design approach feels closer to mobile operating systems while still providing the power of a full desktop computer. With improved performance, better touch support, and a refined user experience, GNOME has become a serious choice for people who want a simple but powerful environment. Another area where Linux desktops are becoming incredibly competitive is hardware support. In the past, installing Linux could mean dealing with missing drivers, Wi-Fi problems, graphics issues, or compatibility challenges. Today, distributions have made huge improvements in hardware detection and automatic configuration. Many users can install a Linux distribution and immediately start working, browsing the web, watching videos, and connecting their devices without spending hours fixing problems. Gaming is another reason Linux desktops are gaining attention. The idea that Linux is not suitable for gamers is becoming outdated. Thanks to technologies like Proton, Steam compatibility improvements, better graphics drivers, and support from major hardware companies, Linux gaming has grown significantly. Thousands of Windows games now run on Linux with impressive performance, and the gap between Windows gaming and Linux gaming continues to shrink. Privacy and security are also becoming major reasons why people are exploring Linux desktops. Windows and macOS are powerful operating systems, but many users are becoming more concerned about data collection, background services, and control over their own devices. Linux gives users more transparency and control. Because much of the operating system is open source, communities around the world can inspect, improve, and secure the software. Performance is another area where Linux desktops often have a major advantage. Many Linux distributions are designed to run efficiently on a wide range of hardware. A computer that struggles with modern versions of other operating systems can often feel fast and responsive with a lightweight Linux desktop. This ability to extend the life of older computers is becoming increasingly important as people look for ways to reduce electronic waste and avoid unnecessary upgrades. The rise of user-friendly Linux distributions has also changed everything. Operating systems such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Zorin OS, Linux Mint, and many others have focused on making Linux easier for everyday users. They provide graphical software stores, automatic updates, simple installation processes, and polished default configurations. The experience is no longer about building everything from scratch. It is about installing an operating system that works immediately. The Linux community itself is one of its greatest strengths. Unlike traditional operating systems controlled by a single company, Linux development is powered by thousands of contributors, organizations, and enthusiasts. This creates a unique environment where innovation happens quickly. New features, improvements, and security updates are constantly being developed because people around the world are actively working to make Linux better. However, Linux desktops still face challenges before they can truly dominate the mainstream market. Software availability remains one of the biggest concerns. While many popular applications now have Linux versions or alternatives, some professional tools and industry-specific software are still limited. For many users, the availability of certain applications is the deciding factor when choosing an operating system. Another challenge is consistency. Because Linux offers so much choice, the experience can sometimes feel fragmented. Different distributions, package systems, and desktop environments can create confusion for new users. Windows and macOS benefit from having a single company controlling the entire experience, while Linux must balance freedom with simplicity. The Linux community continues to improve this area, but it remains an important challenge. Despite these obstacles, the direction of Linux desktops is impossible to ignore. The combination of beauty, performance, customization, security, and freedom makes Linux one of the most exciting platforms in modern computing. What was once considered an alternative operating system is now becoming a serious competitor that offers features many users did not even know they wanted. The future of desktop computing may not be controlled by only a few major companies. As users become more aware of privacy, ownership, and customization, they may start looking for alternatives that give them more control. Linux represents a different philosophy, where the user is not just a customer, but an active participant in the technology they use every day. Windows and macOS have dominated the desktop market for decades, but competition is healthy for innovation. The improvements happening in Linux desktops are pushing the entire industry forward. Even users who never switch to Linux benefit from the pressure it creates because every operating system must continue improving to keep up with changing expectations. Linux desktops are no longer just a project for enthusiasts experimenting in their free time. They have become powerful, modern, and attractive platforms capable of handling everyday tasks, professional workloads, entertainment, and gaming. The question is no longer whether Linux can become a great desktop operating system. The real question is how much more it can improve and how much attention Windows and macOS will have to give it in the years ahead. The Linux desktop revolution is already happening quietly, one user at a time. With every improvement, every new feature, and every person discovering the freedom of Linux, the platform becomes stronger. The future of desktop computing is becoming more open, more flexible, and more competitive, and Linux is proving that it deserves a place at the center of that future.